This is a secret Chinese restaurants don't want you to know. In a pan, add some oil. Then 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of rice, and let fry for 4 minutes. Then add 300 milliliters of water, cover, and let cook until water evaporates. Now stir again and let cook on low heat for another 5 minutes. After this time, remove the pan from the heat. In another pan, add some oil, half onion, 3 garlic cloves, and mix well. Add half green bell pepper, half carrot, and stir vigorously. You guys, this recipe is incredibly delicious. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you thought. I'm sure you'll love it. Add 30 milliliters of soy sauce, then 30 milliliters of honey, 1 tablespoon of sugar, half teaspoon of black pepper, and stir to combine. And before I forget, tell me where you're watching us from so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug is for Lillian Etienne from Saudi Arabia. I'm happy to hear you're loving our recipes. Now put the rice that we cooked into the pot and stir vigorously. Tell me if you've made a recipe similar to this one before. I'd love to know. Take 200 grams of shrimp. Let's clean them so we can include them in our recipe. In a pan, add oil, 2 garlic cloves, quarter of red bell pepper, the shrimp, and let fry. When it reaches this texture, it's time to remove it from the pan. And our recipe is ready. Just add fresh parsley on top and serve. I hope you liked this recipe. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.